Islamic Quotes. They provide guidance, encouragement, and solace to individuals in their daily lives, reminding them of the importance of leading a virtuous and purposeful existence. Quotes on knowledge and education. Seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The ink of the scholar is more sacred than the blood of the martyr. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He who seeks knowledge, Allah will make his path to paradise easy. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Read in the name of your Lord. Quran 96:1. Quotes on patience and perseverance. Indeed, with every difficulty there is relief. Quran 94:2-6. Patience is a pillar of faith. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Be patient. Indeed, the promise of Allah is truth. Quran 30:60. Verily, with hardship there is ease. Quran 94:5. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Quran 286.